So today we finally went and got some tensioners. What did we need yesterday? We had we didn't have enough loops or something.
We didn't have the hooks, and we needed smaller ones of these, and we needed more of the hold the wire on themselves.
So now, well, we bought too much, but you know, it's fine. You know, whatever. And get a tool for this because this is really a pain in the ass. I mean,
yeah, get something that can cut your wire. I think I got too thick a wire because this is like 3/4 inch.
But she gonna be sturdy.
Yeah.
That's what we're going for. So
once I get this cut, I'll show what we did.
Yeah.
I really messed up this wire.
We'll get back to you in a minute. Very thick. Cole likes it thick.
I do. I think I did those.
Yeah, you definitely dulled those. This is like 5 minutes of cutting.
This is like 5 minutes. Beginning.
Huh?
Band cutter thing.
Yeah, that's what you should have used in the beginning.
So now we've acquired the right tool.
That was literally so easy. Oh god. Alright, now we're gonna... Cole might not have electrical tape, but that's what you should use to wrap it around here so you're not fraying the bit.
Get that guy. He's driving on the golf course with his truck.
What the hell is that guy doing? He's got plywood in there or something. He must be making a deck.
He's building a shed on the
he?
golf course. He's building those, what do they call them in the tree? The tree stands for hunting?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. First, basically though, you buy these little
hooks.
what are they called? They're
called hooks.
Hook bolts.
Yep.
Whatever. You buy 4 of those. Front, back, whatever. Then you buy a what do they call them?
Tensioner
Thing to hook into that. Hook your wire or wrap your wire around it in there, and then you buy like these or the ones you can clamp down with the. What were they called?
What are you talking about?
That you had to use that tool for. What was it called? Crimping. That you can crimp down. They're like flat, square ones you just crimp on. But I didn't want to buy those because I don't have a crimper. So this kind of looks ghetto, but I don't care. Yeah, so now we're just going to do the other side. I had panch today.
I'm so jealous. I haven't had panch in so long. Alright, so we're about to install this on that said piece of wire. Get the hoop. Loop.
Big hoops. And then you...
There's that guy with the truck. He just dumped some wood. Anyways.
Ooh, ow.
What are we doing now?
Basically, you take it, loop it through your hook, so your hook's on there, but the circle part.
Yeah, we got it.
And then fold it in a U and try and get it nice and tight. Like so, without cutting yourself on this. And that.
You should probably
cut.
Cut it back. Cut.
Put that in there. Okay, so you gotta take this, or if you use
it's just a clamp.
Yeah, if you use the crimpers, you don't have to do this till after, or you don't have to use this at all. But basically, put this on first. Get on there. Take your hooky thing.
He just pulls a hook out of his armpit real quick.
Put the hook on, like that.
Where'd that come from, Cole? You were even hiding that.
I don't want to talk about it. Then you put a U, so it looks like this. You got 2 earrings on your loop, whatever. You take it and you make this loose so that you can fit both of them in without cutting yourself like that.
Ow.
That fucking hurts, dude.
There was blood spilt during the video recording.
Ow. So you get it in, and then you want to pull it so it doesn't slide back out. So it looks like this, kind of. This hurts. Pull it tight. The bolts are already tight.
Show them what it looks like.
Oh, let me tighten it quick so I can let go of it for a minute.
So hold it from up here.
So I made it kind of half tight. That looks pretty bad, so I'm just gonna, like when I'm done, the wire will sit on top of itself like that. So it's
Yeah,
flat.
looks good.
Ah,
Cool. All right, let's install
I
that
would
bit.
cut this off because it's so long, but I don't want to do that all again.
Why don't you put it to the top?
It's all good, dude. Wrap around your body
Yeah,
when you're shooting your at-home videos.
yeah. Adult Disney, we call it.
So then you just tighten these little things, the nuts.
Nuts? They're called nuts, Cole? Learned that in 3rd grade?
I'm so mechanically inclined, I know what to
When you
call
hit
these.
puberty?
When you tighten your spark plugs onto your wire, and then you take your wire and you run it through the engine, and then the whole engine has spark, and then
Did you just say
start.
spark plugs?
What?
What does spark plugs have to do with this?
So we're gonna put this in, right, like this. Fuck, we might have to
Yeet.
cut. We're gonna have to cut so much.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
We
so
did to the last one
you
too,
take that, then you do this, and you pull this out of your pocket, and you pull out the other
though.
one,
Whammy.
put it through your hole. Oh, that's way too tight.
I like it tight.
I do too.
What?
And then you put this.
What does that
in.
mean?
Why is there hair on this?
I don't know. It's braided, dude.
Anyway, you put that on. Zip lines down. Run that through. Pull her tight. And then. Holy shit.
You slide that bitch up.
So then you get your buddy and you hold it tight for him. And he tightens the other bolts down while you hold it as tight as you can, so that way you don't have to tighten it as much on your thing, because then you run out of threads, like I did the first time and had to redo all of it. So after you get that tight, I grab those other things and cut this because we have so much extra. And then whatever I cut, I gotta go buy tape and tape these. I don't know if they can even see this.
Yeah, they can.
And tape these like ends so it doesn't look that bad. And then, oh shoot, I should probably tighten this. Oh.
So it
So,
looks.
I bought ones, they're like 12 millimeter.
That looks mean, dude.
Take it around, hold this end, and tighten it.
That's how you
That's how you
tighten
loosen
it.
it. That's
And
how you
loosen.
tighten it. They got stuck and I was.
Same thing in
I had
there.
a moment of Down syndrome. Can you say that on YouTube? Down syndrome? I had a moment of Down syndrome. Whatever.
I don't think you can say that, Cole.
I don't-
Please don't put that in there.
I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it at the end. Is it pretty even?
Look.
You look, dude.
I said, let me look.
Oh, I thought you said look. I was like, ah.
How's the tension on both of them? Oh, that's perfect. This one's a little looser.
Yeah, I feel like I could go this way more, so tighten this one a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Dude, this looks freaking
It
sick.
looks badass.
Looks like a hammock.
A little bit. Where's those head streamers at?
Dude, and then during Christmas, if I do drive this in the winter, I can take like the LED Christmas lights and wrap them around both ways.
You're such a dumb.
I'm such a dumb what?
You gonna grab people?
Okay, the recording, yeah. All right. By the way, this is my friend Gavin. Gavin, say hello.
Hola.
He drives that Lexus
shit.
ES300. Yeah, that's his daily, and then he also has.
It's not too Jade.
What is it?
People in the comments.
What's the other car?
It's a V6. Do we let the cat out of the bag?
I don't care, dude. Your choice.
We'll let him see it in the next video.
Okay, bet.
Give him something to get excited about, you know? It's not that cool.
Just kidding, it's pretty cool.